Okay, this is my bike check. I'll start from the top. We got Gary Young Signature Odyssey grips, Shadow Vultris handlebars, Mission Talon stem. Down here we got Salt Pro forks. We got Fit FAF tyre with Odyssey Hazard Light rims, Profile Elite hub. We got the Stolen Sinner frame, 2012 frame. We got a red Snafu sprocket. Stolen Mob OE cranks, stolen Thermalite pedals, YBN half link chain. It's just a chain I got from a local bike shop. Again, Fit FAF in the back, Hazard Light rims, and Profile Elite hub.